You can call me Queen Bee.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Blanca. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day or night. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I truly appreciate it. And for today's video, I'm gonna be testing the Hemp Night Cream. And this one is enriched with all natural hemp seed oil, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter. I'm so excited. So directions: apply the cream to cleanse face, avoiding eye area with gentle circulate motion until absorbed. Do not rinse. Why would you rinse? All right, so let's open it. Oh, this one is white. Oh, this one is nourishing hemp night cream. Oh, and this is by All Naturals. Oh my god, let's open it. Let me do this for my thumbnail. Oh, this one was easy to open. Oh, and it has the expiration, so expires on 2021, November 2021. You see the expiration right here, and it has directions here. I don't remember if the other one. Apply the cream to cleanse face with gently patting motion until absorbed. Use before bed. The other one had this, but when I opened it, it was inside. And it has the same smell. A little bit. I like this one better than the other one. The other one had like a, I don't know, but this one, I like the smell of this one better than the other one. The other one didn't smell bad, but it just had the smell. Look at how cute. I love the packaging. It's really cute. So I like that it has this a little applicator. So I'm just gonna the same. Alright. Let me put this back in here. Okay. Just to cover it. Like that. Let me just wipe my hands. Now we have to be extra clean, you know? We don't want anything in our hands. Alright, so let's see. But how is everyone doing? I hope everything gets back to normal. It doesn't really affect me as much, but the only thing is like we don't get to go through the park, and I love taking walks and going to the park. But as you guys know, I have two daughters. One is 3 and the other one is 5 months. By the way, I didn't do a vlog or anything, but she has 2 teeth. She got her second tooth. So I'm just gonna use both of my hands. And Jessica, my friend from YouTube, asked me my skin routine, and to be honest, I don't have a skin routine. Like, I only, like, when I wake up, I just wash my face, and I put don't forget the neck, sorry, and I just put moisturizer, and the same as nighttime. All right, this is how it looks. So yeah, and now that I'm gonna be using, I had to put it around my nose because my nose always gets red on the corners. But yes, I don't do much. And the same with nighttime. I just wash my face, and now I'm gonna be using this nighttime cream. But yeah, this is how it looks. You know what? The daytime cream was more moisturized, but this one feels nice. I definitely like the smell on this one more than the other one. But yes. All right, so let me get the bag. So I'm gonna give this a try, but as I told in my last video, if you guys didn't watch, I'm gonna put it over here. I tried the moisturizing hemp cream, and this one is the nighttime. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna give this a try. As I said, this is my first time trying, but I love how it feels. I love how it smells. So yeah, so I'm gonna follow up next time I do like something, and I'll let you guys know how this works. But from the other one, and I do have it here, this is the moisturizing hemp cream. I absolutely love. I have been using it already for 3 days, and I love the way it feels. It keeps my skin, because I know, like I mentioned, after giving birth my skin was like really dry. But after using this, like, I'm gonna keep buying this one because I love it better than the Cetaphil lotion. And I know I mentioned that I've been using that for a while, but now this is gonna be my favorite moisturizer. And then if I love this one, I think I'm gonna love this one too, because I love aloe vera and the hemp. So yeah, if you guys wanna buy this, I bought this at Amazon, and they were both $16.99. So thank you so much for all the love and support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay safe and healthy. Much love to everyone, and positive vibes only. Bye. Much love. We'll see you until the next one, or when I go live. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, just to mention, I'm gonna be posting my videos Mondays and Thursdays, and if I get something in between, like BoxyCharm, then I will go live. All right, bye bye.